how to use live stickers in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to use live stickers in your Facebook Messenger, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your photo, go and select a live photo. In my case, I couldn't find a live photo right now, but just simply go and select a photo which is live. After that, just simply tap on it and it will create a sticker. You can just simply go with add sticker and the sticker will be added, right? Once the sticker has been added, now you need to go back and then open up your Messenger and go with the chat where you would like to send the sticker. Now you just need to simply go with the bottom which has that message bar, and then you need to go with the emoji section which will be in the bottom and swipe right, and here you will find your stickers. You need to just simply select the sticker and it will be sent. So if you've selected the live sticker, it will be sent as a live sticker. So that's how you can use live stickers on your Facebook Messenger, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.